Good afternoon. I am the current XO of the battalion, Alonzo Adrian, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to put devices on your uniform. So to start off with, technically this is not considered a device, but it does go on your uniform and it's extremely important. So I'm going to show you how to put on your shirt stays for your uniform. Now this is only for male uniforms, and it comes in a pack that looks like this. When you join the program, this will be given to you. Everything will be provided. These shirt stays are adjustable to your size and height. They can be shortened or lengthened depending on how tight you want them. Now, on the male uniform and female uniform, there are two lines that go down the shirt. The male shirt stay will go on one line with the rubber facing the back. It is put through the hole and pulled up to stay secure. The same thing goes for the second one. It's taken apart, applied to the second line. The button is put through the hole, pulled up to secure. Now on the back of the uniform, there are three lines. One on each side and one going down the middle. For the remaining two, one will be put on the first line to the right or to the left. The second one will be put on the other side. These shirt stays will go down your pants on the inside, attached to your socks. For this uniform, you will wear black shin-high socks. They will attach them and you will adjust them to length so that they hold your shirt down and it's nice and straight. Now, the second device that we're going to be putting on is the name tag. The name tag goes on the right side of your uniform above the right breast pocket. Behind this device, you will need to put cardboard so it stays perfectly straight and it's not loose. The measurement for this device is 1/4 of an inch above the right breast pocket. However, to make it easier, you can align it to the breast pocket in the center, right where the line is, and apply it upwards. And the measurement will be exactly 1/4 of an inch. When putting this on, you will take your cardboard, apply it behind, you will take your froggies, which are the things that hold the pin, and secure it to your uniform. Now the second device you're going to be putting on your uniform is your ribbon rack. The ribbon rack goes on the left side of your uniform above the left breast pocket. The same measurement as the name tag, 1/4 of an inch above the left breast pocket. So you can eyeball the same measurement, like exactly, same way you did your name tag. You level it and center it to the left breast pocket and apply it upwards. Then cardboard will be put onto the back to ensure that it is straight and does not move around. To double check and make sure that it is correct, take a ruler and measure it 1/4 of an inch to ensure that there's nothing wrong with it. For the name tag and for the ribbon rack, a pencil should be able to fit underneath the sides, the underside. So if a pencil's taken and run along here, that is about 1/4 of an inch. Same thing on this side. Also, above the ribbon rack, you will have a service star. Your service star depends on how many years you've been in the program. You get 1 service star after completing your first year in NJROTC. Service star goes right above your ribbon rack. And cardboard should be applied to it also. This cardboard was big enough to hold the ribbon rack and the service star in place, so it's perfectly straight. The second device you'll be putting on is your rank. This is only if you've gotten a promotion from Seaman Recruit. This, for example, is a Petty Officer 2nd Class rank. Your rank goes above the right collar point, about 1 7/8 of an inch above the right collar point. With practice, it can be eyeballed perfectly, but measure it to make sure. Now, the next thing that we'll put on your uniform is your J-bar. You start with this also. This device goes 1 7/8 above the left collar point. This can be aligned and put on by measuring it up to the collar point where it is perfectly, where it makes a perfect triangle and applied upwards. Another way to measure is to put about 2 fingers of space between the J-bar and the collar point. Lastly, if you have a staff position in the battalion, you will have a cord. This cord goes on the side with your ribbons. So the cord should align perfectly to your left shoulder seam. Goes inside, the sleeve goes inside. It's measured up to be at the left, which is about 2 inches above the left seam. And it is applied with froggies.
Hello, good afternoon. I am Command Master Chief Cadet Petty Officer 2nd Class Giglione Angelina, and today I will be demonstrating on how to put on a female's khaki blouse. We're going to begin with both the rank and the J-bar. So both of them are 1 7/8 inch from the collar point, so seen as here. Next up will be both the name tags and the ribbon. Both of them are still the same measurements. It is 6 1/4 inch from the intersection from the front seam to the shoulder seam. So a trick for the name tag is when you are doing it, you can also put 2 fingers under the button and it will align it to the correct measurement as if you were using a regular ruler. Also, something else that is a major thing is cardboard. As you can see, we do use cardboard to keep intact all of our ribbons and our name tags. Last but not least, we have the NS level star. It is 1/4 inch right above the ribbons. A trick to do this is you get a pen just like this, and you place it right above the ribbon and right under the actual NS star, and it gives you the accurate measurement in order to have it correctly on your uniform. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions concerning your uniform, please contact your supply officer, your current CMC, PC, or guide.